Strategic Planning Office or PCDSPO, more popularly referred to as the Communication Group. They are responsible for the following: speaking to the public, for maintaining a constant coordinated flow of information to the public and government about the emergency or crisis. So kaning PCDSPO or Presidential Communications Development and Strategic Planning Office is kanang sila ang nagahatag og impormasyon sa public na nay moabutay or kanang information nga makaandam ang public sa mga calamities or mga crisis. Next is implements the crisis emergency communication plan of the government. Next is ensure that all the other government spokesperson of the respective departments, agencies, instrumentalities, or bureaus involved in the emergency shall avoid speaking to the public or media before, during, and right after the emergency. So ang mga laing-laing department about sa mga spokesperson sa mga laing department about sa mga calamities or mga emergencies, kay mag-avoid sila og kanang mga lain-lain nga impormasyon. Dapat isa lang sila impormasyon na mahatag sa public aron dili ma-conflict or ma-misinformation og sa mga public. Next is takes responsibility for the messaging during the crisis or emergency. Next is ensures that the EXICOM, NSC, NCMC, and all other government official or agents involved in the crisis adhere to the crisis communication plan, speak in one voice. So mao na to, dapat maghatag sila information sa public nga isa lang ang ilang goal or isa lang ang source nila, kay aron dili misinformation. Next is ensure the prudent handling of information to and from the media, and that the information disseminated will not prejudice nor hamper ongoing operation or the crisis management process. So pag handle og information, dapat ginaampingan nila aron dili mo katag og kanang dili ma-misinterpret sa public, aron dili magkabuang ang mga public. Next is develops an appropriate crisis emergency communications plan which shall be implemented and strictly adhered to by the EXICOM, NSC, NCMC, all other government official or agents. So sa pag-develop og kanang like nakay mga plano about sa kanang mag-rescue or sa emergency communication plan is mo coordinate ka sa EXICOM or NSC or NCMC aron ma-assist kanila. Next is on-scene commander. The on-scene commander is an individual in the vicinity of an incident which temporarily assumes command and institutes immediate emergency procedures, such as the isolation of the incident from the rest of the environment. So kaning on-scene commander is mura ni siya og first responder. Bali pag naka sa incident area or sa nahitabo is ikaw ang mag-command or imo ang responsibility dira nga area. Ikaw mag-command og unsa or mo tawag baka og mga kuan, bali ikaw mag-lead or mag-manage sa area to avoid greater evil or damage para dili mo lala. Next is first responder. The first responder carries out the immediate and timely response needed in addressing an incident. The first responders performance cover that point in time when the level of incident shifts either to a higher level towards elimination of crisis. So kaning the first responder is morning mo alalay si mo sa area aron dili malala ang sitwasyon. Mao ni ang mga kuan mo aid si mo kung naunsa ba ka, or mao na ni ang mo contact sa mga lain-laing field kintay baha ang kuan na is magtawag og rescuer, bali sila na mag contact or sa other government nga mag-rescue. Next is National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council or NDRRMC. According to the PNP Manual on Crisis Management, manual as a matter of policy, natural calamities and disasters will be the responsibilities of the National Disaster Coordinating Council or NDCCC. So kaning National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council or NDRRMC kay sila ang mga responsibilidad sa mga kalamidad nga moabot, maghatag og information sa mga tao or sa public nga nay moabotay kanang bagyo, or sila ang mga responder nato pag nay mga crisis or calamities. So labi na ang Pilipinas ang mga agianan sa bagyo, so sila ang nagahatag sa tua og mga information about sa unsaon pag avoid sa mga greater evil nga dili ta behind. Dapat makabalo ta kung unsaon pag likay, kung namay masamdan kabalo ta mag-aid nya tabangan punta nila kung asa ta moadto sa mga kuntay na baha, moadto ta sa higher ground.
Good day everyone. Today I discuss the responsibilities of NDRRMC. NDRRMC, or the National Council, being empowered with policy making, coordination, integration, supervision, monitoring, and making function. Here of the responsibilities of NDRRMC. The first one is develop a National Disaster and Risk Reduction Management Framework or NDRRMF, which shall provide for a comprehensive all-hazard, multi-sectoral, interagency, and community-based approach to disaster risk reduction and management. Number 2 is to ensure that the National Disaster and Risk Reduction Management Plan or NDRRMP is consistent with the NDRRMF. And the next one is advise the President on the status of disaster preparedness, prevention, mitigation, response, and rehabilitation operation being undertaken by the government. And the last one is ensure a multi-stakeholder participation in the development, updating, and sharing for disaster risk reduction and management information system and geographic information system-based natural risk map. The next topic is the NDRRMC membership. According to RA 10121 2010, NDRRMC should consist of the following. First one is the Secretary of Department of National Defense as a chairperson. So ang DND daw or Department of National Defense kay siya dapat ang chairperson. Tapos the second is the Secretary of the Department of the Interior or Local Government, DILG, as a vice person. So ang vice person daw kay DILG. Tapos the third is the Secretary of Department of Social Welfare or Development or DSWD as a vice chairperson for disaster response. The fourth one is the Secretary of Department of Science and Technology, DOST, as mitigation vice chairperson for disaster prevention, and the Director General of National Economic and Development Authority, NEDA, as a vice chairperson for disaster rehabilitation and recovery. And this is the National Council members are, first one is Secretary of Department of Health, DOH, DNR, DA, or Department of Agriculture, DepEd, DOE, Department of Energy, DOF, Department of Finance, DT, Department of Trade and Industry, and DOTC, Department of Transportation and Communication. Secretary of Department of Budget and Management, DBM, DPWH, Department of Public Works and Highways, DFA, Department of Foreign Affairs, and DOJ, Department of Justice. Department IDOLE, or Department of Labor and Employment. DOT, or Department of Tourism, and the Executive Secretary, Secretary of the Office of Presidential Advisor on the Peace Process, OPAP or OPAPP, and the Chairman Commission of the Higher Education. So CHED. And the last one is AFP, Armed Force of the Philippines. And Chief Philippine National Police, PNP, the Press Secretary, Secretary General of the Philippine National Red Cross, PNRC, Commissioner of the National Anti-Poverty Commission Victims of Disaster and Calamity Sector, NAPCD, VDC, and the Chairperson of National Commission of the Role of Filipino Women, Chairperson of Housing and Urban Development Coordinating Council, and the Executive Director of the Climate Change Office of the Climate Change Commission, and President Government Service Insurance System or GSIS, and the last one is SSS, President's Social Security System. And the next topic is the Office of Civil Defense.